We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be cleaning my entire house. I have let it go too far for too long. I have been working for the past 7 days straight, and I haven't got a chance to really even pick up at all. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, but I just wanted to show you guys an overview of what it looks like right now for those of you who think that I'm not a normal human and that my house doesn't get messy.
This is what we waited for.
So one of my favorite things to do when I'm cleaning the house is go ahead and open up all the blinds before I get started and let a little bit of sunshine in. That really gets me extra motivated to get things clean. So before I get started, I'm just going to go ahead and hop on Spotify and find me a song to play. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my iced coffee. I've showed you guys before in a video how I make it, and I'll leave that link down below if you haven't watched it yet. But cleaning is just so much better with a cup of iced coffee. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean my windows with the Method glass cleaner, and I have been using this for about 1.5 years now, and I love it. I haven't switched to anything else. And also, I get most of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, the ones that I can, and I always have a link in my description to get $10 off of your first order with them. So go ahead and check that out. And also, you will see me cleaning the outside of the windows, and I didn't realize it was going to be that windy. But I wanted to say that there was some stuff on the windows on the outside that I couldn't get off with the Method glass cleaner. I think it was just stuck on there from Alex cutting grass or something. So if you have anything that's a little bit stronger that you clean outside windows with, let me know in the comments, because there was just some stuff down there on the bottom that I couldn't get off. So in today's video, I'm partnering with Filter Day. Filter Day is a company that sends high quality air filters straight to your door whenever it's time to change them. They also usually cost a lot less than in the store. And also, the thing that I like the most is I don't have to remember what size I have because it's all saved on their website. We were really impressed with how durable these air filters were. They're not flimsy at all like some of the ones that you'll find in the store. And you're never going to forget again to change your air filters, because you get to choose how often you want them sent to your door. And the best part about this is your first shipment is free if you use code FRESH, and shipping is always free every single time. Plus, there are no contracts and you can cancel at any time. I will leave all the information down in the description box below. And check out Ansley. What in the world is this girl doing?
Home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you want.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up my living room, and as you can see, I did get a delivery from Grove today. I'm really excited to open it. And Ansley's going to be helping me clean the living room because she is my little helper and she always helps me around the house.
For a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
I'm currently still using a damp washcloth on my tables. I still haven't found anything that I can clean them off with, but I think it'll be okay for now because they don't ever really get that dirty anyway. So I just went ahead and got a few dishes out of the way. There wasn't that many. I didn't plan on cooking dinner this night, so I just went ahead and got them done.
We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Every time I get done washing dishes, I like to go ahead and clean out my sink, and then I will spray any kind of all-purpose cleaner that I'm using at the moment. Right now I'm loving the lime and sea salt. I just spray it in there afterwards and it makes my whole kitchen smell good for hours. So right here I'm just cleaning off my granite countertops with the Method Granite Cleaner, and truth be told, I don't know if I've ever told you guys this in any of my videos, but I literally do this 3 or 4 times a day.
Who am I talking to? Is somebody out there? Should I worry about who's in my
Right here, I'm just cleaning off my stove with my favorite Wayman cooktop cleaner. So we haven't ate at this table in a few days now, but it does tend to get dusty over a couple of days of not eating there or sitting there. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it off, and I'm going to do the bottom this time too because that's something I don't do every time. So now I'm going to be doing one of my favorite parts about cleaning, and that's mainly because of this vacuum. Y'all, I love this Dyson vacuum. Ever since I got this cordless vacuum, I have literally just loved cleaning. I don't know what it is about a dang vacuum, but this thing is the bomb.com.
Fading in, fading out. My scars are all blurry. Been underwater for too long. There's no need to be worried. I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed. I cannot make a sound. Empty alone. So cover me. 'Cause I'ma let you out. I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you would let me go, I would let you in.
I am still using the Bona mop to mop my floors, and I'm not going to show you guys me mopping my entire house because that would be really boring. But I'm still using the vinegar, and I have not tried anything else on these floors. So if you have any recommendations for what you use on your hardwood floors, Leave it down in the comments for me, please.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't see to fall.
So right here I'm just going to go ahead and clean off this ledge and fix my wreath because I have OCD, and if it's not perfectly in the middle it really bothers me. And then I'm just going to go ahead and spray some of these scrubbing bubbles in the tub and let it soak for a few minutes.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
So if anybody was wondering, yes, I am still loving the Clorox toilet wands. They are just so much cleaner than having a scrubber. And I have the scrubber still. I need to throw it away. You can see it over there. I don't know why I'm keeping it because I'm probably a hoarder. Y'all know how it is. So now I'm just going around the house and gathering all the trash to put in the big trash can so I can take it out. And then you'll see all this dust flying around. Isn't that great after I just vacuumed and mopped? And also, thank you guys so much for watching another cleaning video, and I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Filter Day so you can get your first shipment of filters free, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!